The Australian state of Victoria has declared a state of disaster as cases of coronavirus continue to surge. People living in the city of Melbourne have been placed in lockdown, only able to leave home for essential shopping and for exercise. Well, Australia was originally praised for its handling of the pandemic. They've seen just over 200 deaths. But in recent weeks, the number of cases has risen sharply, recording over 680, nearly all of those in Victoria, which is now facing a full lockdown, as Chloe Keedy now reports.
Good evening. Melbourne has just gone into a stage 4 lockdown under state of disaster powers that came into effect just this minute.
Although the news didn't come as a shock, it still caused a last-minute scramble.
Guys, please maintain 1.5 metre at least.
Panic buyers queued up with their trolleys in the winter sun as Australia's second largest city prepared to go into hibernation.
New homes, hospitals and schools are to get automatic planning permission in England under new government plans to speed up building. The Housing Secretary, Robert Jenrick, says it's a once-in-a-generation chance to shake up the rules which were put in place in 1947 to create more affordable homes across the country. The Teachers' Union has called for greater clarity on the reopening of schools in England in September as cases of coronavirus increase. Scientists who advise the government have said some restrictions will need to be put back in place to allow children to return to classrooms. And there have been rapid increases in the number of people infected with coronavirus in South Africa after more than 500,000 cases were confirmed. Lockdown restrictions were eased to help their struggling economy, but experts say the peak is still around a month away.
The Bollywood star Amitabh Bachchan has been discharged from hospital after testing positive for Covid-19. Amitabh Bachchan, who is 77, is one of India's most renowned actors. Fans all over the country said they were uniting to pray for his recovery. It comes after his daughter-in-law, the actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and her 8-year-old daughter recovered from the virus and left hospital earlier this week.